Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing. Install Google Authenticator and sign into your Bitget account. Once logged in, go to Security Settings and choose Google Authenticator. You need the app ready because Bitget will show a QR code to scan. This is faster and less error-prone than manual entry. Make sure your phone's time sync is enabled because mismatched time causes codes to fail. Now tap the option to bind Google Authenticator so you can scan the QR and move to the next step. Once you scan the QR code with Google Authenticator, the app immediately starts generating 6-digit codes. You should also copy the 16-character backup key Bitget shows, write it down offline, or save it in a secure password manager because it's required if you lose your phone. Next, enter the current 6-digit code from the app into Bitget's verification field and submit. If it fails, wait for the next code cycle and retry. Time-based codes rotate every 30 seconds, so timing matters. After Bitget confirms the code, you've enabled Google Authenticator and should test by logging out and back in to confirm it prompts for code. Make sure you store the backup key in at least one secure offline place so you can restore access if your device is lost. If you encounter problems, first check your phone's automatic time sync. If that's correct and codes still fail, use the backup key to re-add the account or contact Bitget support with proof of identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.